In this video, I will show you how to use the Exitlag app. First, open the Exitlag application. On the top, you have an account section right next to Tools, where you can access your account and subscription settings. Next, we have the Tools section. From here, you can set general settings. Click on FPS Boost. Turn the toggle on, given right next to Define Maximum Processing Priority for games and define minimum processing priority for system services. Also turn on Enable the Ultimate Performance Power Plan. After that, go to the Home tab. In the search bar, search for your desired game you want to resolve lag with. Select that game from the search result. From here, you need to select a game region. Select your current server or let the application decide the best server for you by selecting Automatic Selection. Make sure to tick these two checkboxes. Once done, click on the Apply Routes button. Next, turn this toggle on, given on your top left corner. You will see your added game in the Recent section. By the process, you can add other games as well. Here, you can see the confirmation tab that settings has been applied to your game. Now click on your selected game from the connection, and here, you will find connection details about it. That is how you can use the Exitlag app. Take time and explore it to know its additional features and settings. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.